is good, everyone? It is your boy Zachy SJ coming to you live. I am always excited to receive a package. Today I went ahead and just received the DJI Air 3S from DJI Care. For those who don't know how DJI Care works in one of two ways. One way, you can send it in for free. They take a little bit longer with the processing times and they don't really rush on delivery. So your drone can be held up for a little bit longer with this method, but it is free, covered with the DJI Care Refresh package. Second method would be DJI Care Refresh Express. With the Express method, you do have to pay an additional $100 to be able to get the drone sent in. And after that, they do expedite the processing time. They try to get the drone back to you as soon as possible. Keep in mind, even though I did use that method, it still did take maybe close to 3 weeks to receive the other drone. I decided to send it in right after Leanne and I's trip to Mexico. If you guys want to pop that video up, you guys can watch it. I sent my drone in because my drone I purchased used for a really good deal. It came with DJI Care Refresh, but it did have some damage. Today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Care Refresh drone, specifically the DJI Air 3S. I'm really curious on whether or not, does the drone have like defects? Is it going to be an obvious factory refurbished drone? I'm really curious. Or is it going to look brand new? Mine had scratches already, so pretty much if the thing doesn't have as much scratches, I'm pretty happy. All right, let's get into it. All right, so here we have the box. They're pretty basic. It's pretty cool though. It is labeled DJI Care Refresh, so you do know that this is a Care Refresh drone replacement. Supposedly these drones are all factory refurbished. They're supposed to be in good condition, so we'll see. All right, small box. Anything good in here? Nice. Some new props. I did want some new props, so I'm excited with that. Okay, so far, right out of the bag. You see that? Yeah, right out the bag, you can see that it's really clean. Seems to be a new drone. Thing is really, really clean. I'm really happy with that. So here we have it. This is everything that was included with my DJI Air 3S Care Refresh drone. When I first sent it back, I actually did not include the original DJI camera lens as well as the gimbal protector, so they sent me those for free. They also sent some new props. Other than that, it's pretty basic, just the drone and a box. I am excited to have this thing back in the arsenal. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll get some videos going again, all right? Thanks for watching.